When he was 6, I took my brother into the city, and as we strolled, he started squeezing my hand. "You all good, bud?" I asked as I crouched down beside him, and he said, "I've just seen an invisible man." "An invisible man?" I then echoed right back with a puzzled and befuddled type grin. "Why, if he was invisible, riddle me this, how could it be that then you could see him?" My brother shrugged up his shoulders, his face all concerned, struggling to respond to the question I'd asked. He said, "I saw him back there, asking people for help, but no one saw him, everyone just walked past. Even you didn't see him when he called out to us, and I know you wouldn't want to be mean. But he is there, I swear, and though I don't know how come, I saw a man that no one else can see." For a moment I was stunned. There was a frog in my throat. I took my brother to a bench and sat down. "I saw him too," I whispered, my voice soft and hoarse. "So why didn't you answer?" asked the boy with a frown. I said, "I remember feeling the way that you're feeling today. It was back when I was younger like you, and I'll try to explain of how this came to be. It's not good, and I'm sad that it's true. Humanity's come so far. We've made homes, phones and cars, problem solving every time we got stuck. But despite all these tools, the pace of life can be cruel, and there were many who found it hard to keep up. Circumstance or affliction, those escaping abuse, youth leaving care or a strained mental health. Whatever caused it to happen, one thing was so apparent. There were people who needed our help. But the answer was elusive, the solutions unclear. No one agreed where responsibility lay. And as cities got larger and our lives all moved faster, soon the people began looking away. Until on days like today, as we go on our way and we feel a small tug on our hand, and we're reminded and asked how we could just walk past and why we ignored the invisible man. Right now, throughout our whole nation, there are organisations working to help those who feel all alone, sharing time and expertise, investing in communities to provide solutions and affordable homes. They work towards social gain with a strong common aim to repair places that are empty or disused. With a good, focused vision, they go on with their mission because they know it's the right thing to do. Look, there's so much more to be done. The real work's just begun, and it's on all of us to care and intervene. And it begins with the simple acknowledgement that you can't fix what you choose not to see. I still think about the conversation we had on that day, and the 6-year-old squeeze of my hand. It relies on us all to hear humanity's call and to see the invisible man.